Good morning, everyone. Myself, Rashmi Doke, and I welcome you all for today's online session organized by BMC. Today, our subject is English. So, children, today, before starting our session, before going to the topic, we will sing a small song. Okay? So, you all just listen. Come on, start. Let's go shopping, let's go shopping, let's go shopping, you and me. Let's go shopping, let's go shopping, let's go shopping, you and me. So many things to see, so many things to buy. So let's go shopping, let's go shopping, let's go shopping, you and me. Yes, children, you all like this song?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so you all are going to repeat after me? Yes, we all will sing the song?
Go shopping. Let's go
Okay.
shopping. Let's go shopping.
You and me,
You and me.
so
Go.
many things to see.
So many things to see.
With action, huh? So many things to buy.
So many things to buy.
So let's go shopping, let's go shopping.
So let's go shopping. Let's go shopping.
You and me.
You and me.
Very good, very nice. So you all have liked the song. So now,
Teacher.
okay. So the song was about shopping, right? The word shopping was there in the song, right? So now shopping. So why do we go for shopping? Yes, children. Why do we go for shopping?
Market.
Yes, to purchase some things. Yes, to buy some things. Very good. So that's why we go for shopping. So today our topic name is buying things. What is the name of our lesson?
Buying things.
Yes, the name of our lesson is buying things. So children, when I was about to start the lesson, I met two children. Okay, and they said they also want to meet the first standard students. Okay, so they also want to meet you all children. So I said, okay, come with me. Okay, so see, her name is Reva. See, she's saying hi to you all. Say hi to her. Hi, Reva.
Hi, Reva.
Yes, she's Reva. And he is Soham. Who is he?
Soa.
Soham. Soham is also saying hello to you all. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. So Reva and Soham, these both are brothers and sisters, and they wanted to meet you all. So I brought them here. Okay. Now they both are going to go for shopping today. Okay. So both Reva and Soham, they both are going to go for shopping, and they both are not going to go alone. Huh? They are going to go with their parents, with their mother and father. They both are going to go for shopping. Okay. So they both are going to go for shopping. So let them go for shopping. So now they are going to go for shopping in a shop. Okay. And it's a big shop. Huh? It's not a small shop. It's a big shop. So in a big shop, Soham, Reva, and their parents. Okay, so these four the people are going to go for shopping in a big shop. Okay, so when they went in the shop, the mother also wanted to buy some things. Father also wanted to buy some things. So the parents asked the children, how about you children? Do you want to buy something on your own? Children were very happy. Rohan and Reva were very happy. They said, yes, yes. So their parents gave Rohan, Reva and Soham some money. Okay. They gave them some money and then they told them that children, you can use this money to buy anything you like to. So whatever you want to buy, you can use this money and buy. So Soham and Reva, they both were very happy. Oh, that we got the money and we are going to buy on our own, whatever we want to buy. So our parents has given us permission to buy. Yes. So they both are very happy. But now they started thinking, too, okay, we have money, but what to buy with this money? They started thinking. Now they were thinking what to buy. Then they thought, should we buy some chocolate? Then they said, no, chocolate, no, we don't want to buy a chocolate. Then they thought, what should we buy? And they were thinking. Then again they thought, should we buy some the colors so that we can make beautiful drawings and all? But then they said, no, not colors also. They don't want chocolate also, colors also. Then they again started the thinking, what to buy? Then they said, shall we buy a toy? Okay, for both of us. Then they said, no, no. Then they were concerned what to buy. A chocolate they don't want, the colors they don't want, the toys they don't want. So what to do? Then they went to their mother. They said, mother, please help us. So mother said, what happened? Well, what we should buy? Please help us. Please give us some ideas. So mother said, okay. So mother said, you can buy something that will finish quickly. Okay. Now you all tell me, children, what are the things that will finish quickly? What are the things?
Money.
Okay, money. Money are the things that finish the quickly. Okay, and if and what? But we should save money, no? What are the
Chocolate.
other things? Chocolate. Yes. If you buy one chocolate, within 5 minutes you all will finish this, right? Okay. And what? The chocolate. And so many examples are there.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Yes, ice cream. If you bring the ice cream, yes, you are going to eat it again in 1 or 2 minutes only. Again. And your favorite things, all your favorite things.
Colors. Cake. Toys.
Toys, no, beta, because toys will be there with you all for a long time. What are the things that will finish? Finish means that will get over quickly. What are that things? See, chocolate. As you bring the chocolate, you will eat it up, so it will be finished. Right? And you said ice cream. Yes, you will eat up all the ice cream, it will finish. Biscuits, wafers,
Colors.
yes. So these are the things that will finish up quickly, very quickly. Okay. Then they said, no, mama. Then another mother gave them another idea that, okay, you buy something that will last long. Last long means that will be with us for many days. Okay. Now, what are the things that will be there with us for many days that will last long? What are the things? Now, you already said a toy. So, if you yes, if you buy a toy, it will be there with you all for a long time. Yes, for a long period. That will last long. Yes, then the colors. If you buy colors also, it is not going to get to finish so early. Yes, it will last long. It will be there with you all for many days. So colors, toy, colors, and
Bag.
yes, what bag? Yes, your school bag, and you have games here. See, snake and ladder. So if you purchase this game, it will be there with you, all right? Snake and ladder. Then there is a chess also. Yeah. So these are the games. A carom, then skipping. These are the things that when you bring, they last longer. Then again, Reva and Soham said no. Then again, the mother suggested them, or you buy something made by others. Okay, that other people make, you can buy that thing. Now, what are the things that other people make and you all buy? Yes?
Crayon.
Okay, crayon. You can say that a kite. Yes? The kite other people make and you all buy from them. How only Makar Sankranti has to finish, right? The festival of kites. So the kite is there. Then that pinwheel is there, right? After that, again you have the wall piece. So many wall pieces are there. Greeting cards are there. These are the things made by other people that you the purchase. But again, Reva and Soma are saying, no, something different, mommy. Then mother gave them another idea. Then mother said, you buy things and you make something out of that new thing, something on your own. And when that mother said that thing, that you buy things and you make something on your own, then Soham and Riya both said, yay, good idea, mom. Both were happy, mom. They said, yes, a good idea. We will do the same thing. We like this idea. So they both went, okay, and they purchased the things that they wanted. And then they went to the counter. This is called billing counter. You all know in a big shops, because Soham and Reva, they went in a big shop. So in big shop, there is a billing counter. You all purchase the things and then you go at the billing counter and there you are supposed to pay the money. So Soham and Reva also went to the billing counter, okay? And they said, let's see, we want to buy these 3 things. So the person said, what are the 3 things? So they said, the 3 things are white chart paper, glue, and colors. Okay. These are the 3 things that Soham and Reva purchased. Okay. Colors, glue, and white chart paper. So they went at the billing counter and the person was standing there. They told them that we want to buy this. The 3 things. What is the amount? What is the money for this? So the person said, in all the 3 things, it is 95 rupees. How many rupees?
95.
95 rupees. Yes. So this is 95 rupees. So the children said, okay. So the children gave them 100 rupee note. Their parents had already given them the money. So they gave them 100 rupees note. But the amount was only 95. Okay. So the person gave to the children back 5 rupee note. How many? 5 rupees. Okay. So they gave them the 5 rupees back. So Soham and Reva were very happy and happily they went back home. Okay. So this is a lesson, buying things, and how Soham and Reva purchased new things. Okay. So you all like the lesson? You all have understood the lesson?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, good. So now I will show you some more the pictures. Okay. And we will revise the lesson. Okay. Subject English, standard first, and our topic is buying things. So see again, Soham and Reva. Yes, they both are again saying hi and hello to you all, and they both are brothers and sisters. Okay, so they both today with their parents, that is mother and father, they are going to go for shopping, and they are going to go for shopping in a big shop. Okay, in a big shop, they are going to go for shopping. Mother wants to buy something. Father also wants to buy something. So they ask their children, how about you? Do you want to buy something on their own? So Rohan and Reva said, yes, we also want to buy. So they gave them some money. And what they said, use this money to buy anything you like. Yes, they gave them 100 rupees and they said, use this money to buy anything you like. So now Reva and Soham started thinking what to buy, what to buy. Now first they said, should we buy some chocolate? Then they're saying, no, not to buy chocolate. Then they're saying, should we buy some crayons? Then again they said, no, we don't want to buy the crayons also. Then they are thinking, should we buy a toy so that we can play with the toy? Again, they said, no, they don't want to buy. Then they both went to their mother and said, mother, please help us. What we should buy? So mother said, you can buy something that will finish up quickly. As I told you, as you all have also given me examples, things that finish up quickly. Yes, wafers, chocolates, cold drink, juices, biscuits. So these are the things that finish up quickly. Then they said no. So then mother again suggested them, or you can buy something that will last long. Long means it will be with us for many days. So see, craft papers. If you buy craft papers, yes, it will be there with you all for longer time. Colors. You all already said colors. If you buy the colors also, it will last long. Then the carom. These are the games. A carom, a chess. These are the games that will last long. See, this is the picture of a chess. Yes. So these are the things that will last long. Skipping rope also. So many games are there. Ludo. So these are the games. Toys are there that if you purchase them, if you bring that at home, it will last long. Then their mother told them, or you can buy something made by others. Yes, so the things made by others are, see, this is a kite. The people make the kite and you all to purchase the kite. This is called pinwheel. Okay, so other people make this the pinwheel and you all can purchase the pinwheel. Okay, so there are also some other thing also like bow and arrow. Bow and arrow you all can make at home also, or you can purchase also. The glue is also there. So there are so many things that you all can make and you all can also the purchase. Okay, and at last again the mothers suggested them new things, and mother said, okay, now other you can do, you can buy things and make something yourself. Okay, now what are the things that you all can buy and you all can make new things from them? See, for example, a craft paper are there. If you bring craft the paper, you can make new out of them. House, a cup and saucer, a dog's face. You can make sparrow. You can make a flying bird. You can make a frog, the peacock. So many things you can make with the craft paper. Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
And then here there are colors also. You can make beautiful drawings and you can color it. Yes, you can make so many beautiful drawings using your creativity, using your imagination. You can make beautiful drawings and you can color it. And with the help of the glue, you can decorate whatever things you have made. You can decorate it. So many things are there you can buy. Even the chart paper. If you buy the chart paper also, you can make so many things. You can draw on that, or you can stick some pictures and make a project. Yes. So many new things of your own you can make. So when the mother said that you buy things and you make something out of that. So Soham and Reva were very happy that yes, we are going to buy. So they went to the billing counter. You all can see the people are standing there and the person has a basket. You all can see that. Yes, red color, the basket is there. In that basket, the people keep the things that they have purchased. Okay, and then they go to the billing counter and they show the things what they have to purchase, and the person at the billing counter will tell them the money that so much is there. So Soham and Reva both went to the billing counter and they told them that see, we have purchased these three things: white chart paper, colors and glue. So they asked them how much money, how much it is. So the person said it is 95 rupees. So the children, that is Soham and Reva, gave them 100 rupee note that they already the parents had given them. That money they gave to the billing counter. The person said, thank you, but it is only 95 rupees. So I have to give you 5 rupees back. So the person gave Soham and Reva 5 rupee back and they happily came back home. Okay. With the pictures, we again revise the lesson. You all like the lesson, children? Yes? Okay, very good. So I like the lesson. You all have understood the lesson? Yes?
Yes,
Show me the thumbs up if you have understood the lesson. Very good. So you all have understood the lesson also very good. Okay. So now from that lesson, okay, what new words we have learned, okay? I will show you the words and you all are going to recognize the words, okay? Come on, start. Yes.
idea.
Idea. Very good. So this is a new word that we have learned in this lesson, right? Idea. What is this?
Money.
Money. Yes. Very good. Money. Very good. This word?
Shop.
Shop. Yes, very good. Shop. This word?
Buy.
Buy. Yes, see how students are so clever.
Quickly.
Quickly, quickly. Yes, very good.
Counter.
Counter. They went at the billing counter, right? Counter. And what are this?
Color.
Colors. Bingo. Very good. So quickly you all have answered, right? So now, how quickly you all have answered, in the same way, you're going to answer my small questions, okay? Related to the lesson, okay? Come on, let's start. What is the name of the lesson? Because many times you'll forget.
Buying.
Yes, again.
Buying things.
Buying things. Very good. So the name of the lesson is buying things. Okay. How many children are there in this lesson?
2.
2 children are there. Very good. Now, what are the names of the children? What are the names of the children in the lesson?
And Riva.
Yes, Soham and Reva. Yes, they had come to you all to say hi, right? Yes, very good. Soham and Reva. So, what did Soham and Reva plan to go? Where did they plan to go? Yes?
Shop. Big shop.
They were. Where did Soham and Reva plan to go? What was their planning? Yes?
I
They had planned to go for shopping. I had told you, no? They had the plan to go for shopping. Yes? Okay. So they went for shopping alone or with their parents?
Yes.
Soham and Reva went to shopping alone or with their parents?
Yes. Parents.
Yes, with their parents they went for shopping, right? Okay, good. Now, when they went for shopping, they went in a small shop or a big shop?
Big shop.
Okay, they went for shopping in a big shop. Yes. Who gave them the idea? Who helped them? Reva and Soham. Mother helped them. Yes. And what did Reva and Soham purchased? At last, what did they purchase?
Crayons, glue, white chart paper.
Very good. They purchased the 3 things, that is crayons, glue and white chart paper. Very good, students. Excellent. You all have understood the lesson. Yes. So thank you very much for attending the session. If you like my video, yes, if you like the lesson, if you like the video, do subscribe our channel and like my video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Thank you so much.